Hello and welcome to Where Wendy Travels, Where Wendy Creates. I believe you've seen this boho journal before. It is my recipe journal made out of both fabric and paper. And today I thought we might just bling it up a bit, fill in the pockets, add some things to it, and that way creating a more complete look. And again, I have my stitched cardstock with different papers in here that I've sewn together. That might be a nice little addition for that pocket. And I think it needs a little more bling. So what I've done is made a yarn pom-pom and put it on a paper clip. And we're going to add that right on there. And see what we want to do for the second page. An old sales book is also good to add in. And one thing I do on these is I journal my to-do lists, or I journal my goals, and I put them on there and I can come back and visit them and see how I've done. Nice graph paper if I want to graph out a pattern that I might want to do, whether quilting, sewing, or other art project. And on this page I've already got stitched on some paper, but it's pretty boring, so I might want to add a little bling to that. So I might want to hook something like this. Maybe I'll bring that right back to my sewing table and sew that, stitch that right across there so I can add a little pizzazz. I think I'll put it right there. That way I've always got something special popping out of that one. And that way it'll hold those papers down. And then some more paper to write on. Nice little pocket. Some tea stained here. What might I want to add to this page? Where would I put this? Actually, I think I might stitch this on. This is actually a seed packet. We've got the flowers that have grown through the summer. And I can put my little treasures in here. And what I'm going to do is take that page, make sure I don't catch the pocket over here. And I think I'm going to stitch that right along there. I might even add some washi tape afterwards for a little strength and bling. Actually, I might do that now. And then I'm going to come back and stitch it a little bit later. We might turn this one into a pocket as well as a tag so we can stick things under the corner of this as well. So I think that's what I'm going to do with this one here. And I'm going to come back in with a little scissors. I'm going to trim off that washi tape. One great thing about washi tape is you can put it on, you can take it off, and you've got no harm there, especially when you first do it. So we'll come back with a pair of scissors on that one. Already have some nice washi tape on top of this page. And it looks like a couple of pockets here. I've got an envelope. Might want to stick a treasure in there. Maybe even a ticket. I think I've got a ticket right here to a rodeo that I went to. And that one, I think I'm going to slide that right in there. And then we still have the paper we can write on. Another beautiful pocket. And I think a little bling down here. I'm going to stitch that on, and that's going to help complete that page. And a pocket. Nice color here. I love the button look there. Maybe we will put a little paper clip up here. And this is one of them that I have glued together with a half of a book page. Put a little ribbon on the bottom, and you've got a nice little permanent paper clip there. And there I can tuck in some papers. And they will just hold right nicely right there. And some more pockets. Another stitched little notebook. Oh, some more treasures in here. There. Maybe a couple of yellow sheets on this one. And I can tuck things in here. Another pocket. Looks like we're going to the rainbow on that one. Oh, and stitched with fabric, more paper to write on. Beautiful. Very nice. Very nice. Lots of journaling and writing space. I think I'm going to put a little doily in here. Little secrets I can hide on that one. Beautiful ribbon under the paper. Another pocket. Maybe I've got one of my little artist pads. We can slip right in there. More writing space, another pocket. Maybe a pie recipe. We're going to stick right in there. Nice treasures. Another pocket. And I like to make patterns, so I like to keep the graph paper around. So when I have a nice little idea, it's got its measurements right there for the graph paper. Oh, perfect. More graph paper. A design here. I've taken some burlap, brown, green, added a little bow, and a button I've sewn through, and I think I'm going to attach that right onto the end of that. And again, I'm going to stitch it, but for now, let's use a little washi tape, and that's going to hold it until I feel like getting around to stitching. And that way I've got my idea hooked together. And of course, I could grab one of the paper clips as well, but I think I'll stitch right through that washi tape and stick that right there. And more writing paper already stitched, a nice little bling here. Nice holder. Maybe I'll add another little goal sheet, to-do sheet here. And I'm going to put some right in here. Tuck it in. And when I tie the book closed, those papers are going to snug right there. Be very easy. And also what I might do is open up some of the cards and put a card or two in the pocket. I like using cards from the different places I go. Of course, the crafty one here is nice as well. We'll decide where we're going to pop those right in. Lots of writing papers. Dreams, desires. Let's pop those. Let's hide those right in there. Why do you say we do that? And some more pockets. And I have a nice card and an envelope. I can either give that to somebody or put a little dream in. Put that in the envelope, put that in a pocket for some future day use. See what day I want to open that again and see if I've made my dreams come true. And of course, I like to keep the index cards around. They're always very easy to write on. We'll pop those right in a pocket. A little tuck. And I'll put a little bling on that tuck. Hold that right in there. And again, I can stitch it just like I've stitched this one in. And I can put papers right there that's going to hold it as well. Just stick them right in. And I think we're just about done. Let's put an empty price tag or an empty tag in there. And maybe even another couple of pieces of paper. So I'll always have something to write on if I don't want to permanently attach it to the book. More graph paper. Of course, more pockets. Maybe we'll stick a couple of cards that actually show this time in here. And we are all set with our treasures. And thanks for watching. Have a great day, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.